welcome to my channel. I am going to unbox and review Fifine T669 condenser mic. So after the unbox and setup, I will perform various kind of testing to check the sound quality. Video is going to be more interesting. Watch till the end. I will give a bonus tip at the end. Let's get started. So now we can open the box. So now you can see they provided one user guide. So I think they gave everything here. So all the required information like how to set up all the parts which are included in the box. So you can see all the installations, everything they clearly mentioned here. All the software setup, everything. So let's keep this user guide ahead. So now you can see this is the pop filter. So the build quality is excellent. You can see whatever the present here, like this is completely metal. So and it is very flexible as well. You can see this one. So I hope it is clearly visible in the video. And this is plastic, but the plastic quality is very good. So now you can see this is a 2-layer transparent cloth which help us to remove the rush of air, which will provide great vocal sound quality without noise. So generally this can be used by the singers who can sing. So let's keep this one as aside. You can rotate this one as well. It is very flexible. So let's keep this one ahead. So now we can remove the sheet. So you can see this is the microphone. So the build quality will be amazing. So it is flexible as well, you can see. And the important feature is, so you can see there is one controller, so which help us to gain the audio. So this is the USB B port, and the build quality is amazing. So Fifine products is always popular for its build quality. So like I will keep this microphone aside, and you can see this one is arm stand. So this one also very flexible, and build quality also very good. So apart from that, so one important advantages in Fifine condenser microphone is, so like they will give extra tripod as well. This is the mini tripod. So in other microphone, they will not give this tripod. You need to buy with extra cost. So this is very useful thing for us. So like afterwards, I will show how to set up all those things. So apart from this, so this is the windscreen. You can see which help us to reduce the unwanted noise. So we can keep this one here like this. So let's keep this aside. And this is the C clamp. Because of it C structure, you can see this is C. It looks like C, that's why they named it as C clamp. So which is it is helpful to attach with the table. Yeah, apart from this, so this is the cable. So USB B port to USB cable, which help us to connect in Windows laptop or Mac. Anything is it will support, but it will not support to mobile directly. This is the disadvantage, I can say. So this is the shock mount. So the build quality is very good. So you can see the threads here. This is expandable thread. So you can see one extra thread they provided. So it is very benefit for us. If we if this thread got tear, then we can fix this one with the help of alternate one. So let's start with the setup. So I am holding the C clamp. So you need to fix like this. So after fixing this one, so you need to take the armrest. This one you need to keep like this. So just you need to keep like this, and there is a knob here, you need to tight. So I hope you saw that one. So after that one, so I'm just bending this one. I'm taking, just you need to lose this one, or you can turn like this, it will be flexible. So I'm taking the shock mount. So here I am fixing this. This is the max, I fixed it. So you can turn like this, it is very flexible. So you can see this video clearly. To fix the microphone, so you need to remove this one. So you can keep this one. So in the down you need to install this one. So after this one, like I'm fixing the cable. So they packed it very well, this cable. So this is the detailed setup. Friends, let's start the sound testing. So before that, like I will keep this aside for a moment. So now I will test the mic sound quality with the help of this small tripod. This is very simple, we can easily speak. So now I connected with the laptop. So before that one, what I am speaking now, like with the help of this Boya mic. So you can see now I am disabling this Boya mic. So now everything is set up. So now let's get started. So now I need something to read. So you will notice like what is the sound quality of this one. So friends, let's start the sound quality of this microphone. So before that one, I am using Boya microphone. You can see like how this sound quality will be. So now I am connecting to my laptop, or you can connect to mobile as well for this Boya microphone. So like now I need some information to read. So I am taking user manual to read information, then you can capture. So before that, so what I am talking, like you can get all the audio clarity with the help of my mobile recording. So now I am turning on. So now I turned on the Boya microphone. So now I will read Fifine microphone warranty its hardware product defect in material and workshop for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. So this is the audio from the Boya microphone. Let's start with this Fifine microphone. Now I am disabling the Boya. So now I will read the same thing only. Now let's get started. So you can see I am keeping the voice full down now. So you will get to know. So it means like it will not take any voice from my mouth. So now I will start. Make it as somewhat to the middle. So I will read some information. Fifine microphone warranty its hardware product defects in material and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. So now I will put the maximum audio gain. This warranty is valid if the equipment is altered, misused, suffers excessive wear of service by any parties not authorized by Fifine microphone. So you can get to see the audio quality. Now I will keep this one to slight middle, so we don't want that much sound. Yeah, this is the complete testing of the Fifine condenser T669 microphone. So I will show with this pop filter as well. So let me stop the recording of this audio. I will take this one. So before that one, I will show without pop filter how it looks. Afterwards, how it will looks. So you can see, I will start my recording. Again, I will tell the same story only. So Fifine microphone warrant its hardware product defects in material and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. So now I will use the pop filter and let me check how this sound quality will be. So just we need to keep like this. I hope you guys are seeing my face. I think I need to make this one as okay. Yes, everything is set up now. So now you can I'm reading this one. So this is with the pop filter. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase, provided the purchase was made from authorized Fifine microphone dealers. So this is the complete sound quality testing. So I hope if you like the video, please subscribe, because I am really doing my hard work to give beneficial information to the my subscribers. So even my subscribers, I can call it as my family as well. So please do subscribe. If you like the video, like it. If you didn't like the video also, please dislike it. It will be a motivation for me to do in the next video. So the final thing will be the bonus point. So I want to tell you the bonus point. So why I choose this product, because you can see in Amazon it is around I think 21,000 plus people's rated this microphone, and I researched as well. So I got to know that this Fifine product is very well known for its build quality, and it will be very durable for longer days, and the sound quality will be very good compared to other microphones. So that's why I prefer this Fifine T669 microphone. So I bought it for around 3.2k. So this is non-seasonal period. So when there will be an Amazon Big Billion Day or any other sale is going on, at the time please buy this one, so you will get much cheaper. So I cover all the values, and another benefit will be you will get on small tripod. In other microphone, you need to buy separate tripod for for this mic. So I hope all the information, necessary information I provided. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.